but now I retired teacher, so I'm your vlog. Teacher me early in the day, the city will dawn, light and alive, riding in a yellow bus. Okay. Sharing you my day of travel. It's a wonderful life here. Have a glimpse of my travel. With the matching music. I love it. Love this music. My co-passengers there. This bus going to Tacorong and will even proceed to Marbel. We are approaching Mlang now. Sharing you glimpses of the beauty of Mlang. We are now in Barangay Dialog, Barangay Inas boundaries. On the left side is Barangay Dialog. My right side is the Inas portion of Mlang. Sharing you my day of travel. The hotel ko, the Genius Hotel. We have Genius Hotel in Mlang. See our bridge. No more bus stop? Bye-bye. Hindi na pwede, no?
Terminal sa mga terminal.
Okay, I will go down.
Wala na lang.
I will go down na
Wala na
lang.
lang. Hope.
Oh, just a moment. Okay, so no more bus stop according to the conductor. So I have to go down slowly. Okay, that's it. So this is it. I just go down from this yellow bus that I was riding. Where I'm now. Oh my gosh, where am I now? Okay, so I'm in Mlang. I need to go somewhere here, but it's so far. So, we are riding a yellow bus from Pinapawan. The bus stop is on here, on this, you call this one, Mr. DIY. Yan, DIY. Okay, so, we have to proceed our steps. That's the 3F Friendly Shoppers Corporation of Mlang. Abuhay! I think the Makilala cable is already closed. I have to check. I need to pay my cable, but I think they are already closed. Okay, let me check. I closed already. So what shall we do? Let's turn around to the other side. Ouch, my apa is falling down. The bridge is falling down. Let me pick up you. My apa. Let us cross. Be careful. Oh, it's still open? Let me check. They're still open. Ma'am, are you still open? Pwede pa magbayad? Ay, good. Lindon, ma'am. Lindon. Lindon. Table. Ay,
Dili lang baling. Ako po dili sa kusina.
how much is Ringdon table?
Wala pa. Ako po dili sa kusina kaya dili-record dili. Okay, pag ako nila dito.
Ringdon, ma'am.
Sa kuan. Sa bagong silang ko. Tawag na ko. Kuan siya, ma'am. April, May. 600.
600. Ako, 1 lang. Okay, so this is
Kaya
it.
na yun, ma'am.
100. I'll choose. Have to look. What time are you closing? Anong oras kayo nila-close, ma'am?
Close na kami, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for accommodating. Salamat. Wala man good time. Okay, so I'm here. Sharing you the life of Carly. My K-pop. I like my makilala K-pop because even though you are delayed,
Hoy! Sino ako?
they will not cut your, what's this? Services of keyboard. Thank you lang, ma'am. Pero namumutol din kayo, ma'am. Namumutol din kayo.
Oo. Ako na.
Ma'am, how much? 1.5 daw. Okay, for dito, ma'am, in charge sa keyboard. Huwag nyo pabutin sa 1.5 kaya putulan din pala kayo. Name, ma'am, name. Buhay channel. Ma'am, maulam mo silang guwapa. Uy! Oh, under cashier. So, just sharing my life, a life of someone is already with freedom. Ayaw may receipt now, ma'am. Bigyan mo lang po. Thank you so much. So, there we go. We have to move on to the next destination. Thank you so much. It's good that keyboard is still open. Salamat.
Para magbalik na.
So, I'm already... Hi, mabuhay. Bayad din kayo. It's good na nag-open pa ang cable. Nagbayad na